This is my hair, dry. I took them off the braids. This is what it's looking like, getting ready to shampoo. But before I shampoo, I want to use African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Conditioner Pre-Poo. I've used this before, but I don't think I recorded. I have this over 2 months. I use this. This works magnificent. If you haven't tried African Pride Pre-Poo shampoo, try it. Give it one try. You will never do a shampoo or wash day without that. It is very light, like how would you say, it is liquidy. It's very liquidy, so I can't put it where you can see it, but this is what it looks like. It's like a pudding, a jello, light jello. It has a nice little scent. But I'm gonna put this all through my hair and you'll see the difference. I just take a little bit. As you can see, I'm outside sitting down. So I'm like, let me just do this while I'm sitting and relaxing before I go shampoo it. And then I was like, let me share it with you because this video was not planned. I'm just sharing this with you because I've used that many times and I've always liked it. And Ruby from J Sparkles Makeup did a video on that. Check her channel out. I'll leave a link of her channel in the description. I'm just doing one section so you can see what I'm talking about. You see? This is my hair right here. Let me see if you can hear it. It's dry and crunchy coming out from the braids. But this is this. And I did not detangle my hair before I started doing this. This is what's detangling my hair. This is as nice can be. So I can do the rest of the hair. I'll put this in a bantu knot and I'll do the rest of the hair. I just put it all over my hair. I have no special way, and then I go in between the hair and then find the dry spots that I haven't done and then do it like that. If you want, you can get a comb and separate and part it and do it the other way around, but like I say, I'm sitting outside. I don't need a comb to do any of that stuff. My hands. Let me see if I can show you what it's like. This is what it looks like. It's like a gel. It's like jello. Very not thick, but when you first make jello, or it reminds me of something we used to make called arrowroot back in the islands. It's a porridge. That's what it reminds me of. It's like, it's very light. So this is, see, this is really nice. You will like it. Now I put it all on the outside of my hair. So now I'm just going like this and parting it open and then putting in between my hair from scalp to roots. Easy like this. Move on to the next one. I part Take and you just work your way through the hair. Take your time, don't be rough on the hair. It's like the right consistency of a gel, a hair gel. That's what it's like. This is it with all my hair. It's now in all over my hair. This will save your shampoo and your detangling because you don't have to do anything. You just have to put it in your hair and you can leave it for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, I guess, however long you want to. I'm leaving mine for half an hour because I had my hair in braids and I took it out and I need to give it that little bit of tender loving care. So half an hour for me today. But this is my hair now with the pre-poo in from African Pride. Please try it. When you get a chance, I got my own at Sally, but they have it other places. If you come across it, try it, and then you can always let me know in my comments of any video if you liked it. Because sometimes I might like something and you might not like it. But when I come across something good for my hair or for skin or in makeup, I will let you know about it. And this one is a winner. This is my hair. See the curls? Bounce right back. Just like that. When I rinse it out, I'll show you what my hair looks like before I shampoo it. I'll rinse it out, show you what the hair look like, and then I'll shampoo it. But this is what I want to share with you. Pre-poo your hair before shampooing if you have the time and the money to do that. I'll let it marinate for half an hour and I will see you soon. I am now going to rinse the pre-poo out of my hair and I'll show you what it looks like. But this is what it looks like after half an hour in my hair. This is what my hair looks like after I rinse out the pre-poo. This is the amount of hair that was shedded after I finished with the pre-poo. This is the pre-poo section. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, you're special. Stay fabulous. And I am. What is your I am? Let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon. Bye.